is covered.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be bashing in the snow with the Max and X-Maxx.
Yeah, we got the Max, X-Maxx. We're gonna do some snow bashing, guys. We haven't done a video in a few weeks. We got snow going on. I've been busy with firewood and snow plowing. It's just like, I don't feel like doing nothing.
Yeah.
So finally, today we were like, man, we got to do some bashing in the snow because before the snow melts, we got to get out there and do some bashing with these trucks.
Yeah.
We got to have some fun. I mean, it's Sunday fun day, so we got to roll out with it.
Yeah.
So we just got to hook up the batteries here. We got the batteries in the trucks. We're running two 4S batteries in the X-Maxx, and we got the 4S battery in the Max. So Andrew's going to be bashing around with that thing. Aiden, you going to hook up with this stuff and drive them too?
Maybe.
Come on, dude.
Yeah, you got it.
All right, so let's hook these batteries up. As first always, we turn our transmitters on.
Yeah.
Hook these big batteries up here. Boom, boom. Now, guys, one thing you do want to watch is if you guys get these things packed with snow, you want to watch because you could overheat these trucks because the truck's working a lot harder in the snow. And if everything's caked all up in there, it's just putting a lot of strain on the drivetrain. So you just want to keep an eye on that. Yeah. Let's get these bodies on and let's see if we can do a couple jumps too, man. Because we like to thrash, bash, and crash these things. So we're going to have a little fun.
Yep, we are.
Better watch out because this X-Maxx is about to tear that Max up. I can tell you that. Oh! Looks like we're high centered and stuck. Let's get out where the snow's a little packed. A little better. Guys, we've got some carnage, it looks like. I seen a tire hanging out. What is going on?
Oh, boy.
Oh, look at that. We blew an axle.
Woo, man.
Oh, man. Geez, we were like only bashing this thing for a few minutes.
Yeah.
I don't know if we popped an axle. It looks like it just came out, actually. What did we break here? Oh, it looks like this pin just came out.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, so let's get a view of that. Looks like the pin that holds the A-arm on here, the axle looks like it just popped out of there. All right. The pin for the A-arm came out, so it kind of stinks.
Yeah.
We can't continue on with this truck, but hey, you know what's great? Is we have another X-Maxx in the basement. So we're going to grab the batteries out of this thing. We're going to get the other X-Maxx, and we're going to thrash, bash, and crash the other one. Let's go.
All right, guys. Well, we're a little disappointed that the X-Maxx got broken, but thank God we have another one. And while we're waiting for that to get back out, we're going to do some jumps with the Max. Woo!
right, guys, so I threw the batteries in our other X-Maxx truck over there, and the steering is, something's wrong with the steering on it, the servo. It's doing one of those. So the servo needs to be fixed or something. I got to look into it. We ain't got time for that. We're running out of daylight, so we're going to throw this back together here. I think I could just pull this retainer screw out of here, pop this pin back in, and get us back rolling and do some more thrashing, bashing, and crashing. Just got to find the right size here, guys, and we're going to pop this thing apart and make it happen. Get this thing back going. Because we like to have a little fun here. A little late in the day to be going at this, but hey, you know what? You got to make do what you got in the time you got, so that's the way we roll. I'm going to pop this pin out of here and get this thing back together and see if we could do a little more thrashing, bashing, and the crashing. All right, so get this pin in here. I'm not sure why this thing popped out. I don't know if there's a problem with it. Obviously something is going on, but we're going to throw it back together here. And yeah, it looks like it just somehow, I don't know if that camera could get down in there. I'm going to shine this light on there. There's this screw that holds this pin in, that holds the arms onto everything and everything together here. And somehow it worked its way past that. But hey, we got this thing back together. We're going to throw the tire back on, put the batteries back in it, and do a little ripping. Throw this wheel nut back on, tighten it down, put the batteries in, and do a little ripping. All right, guys, so we got the batteries back in this truck. I got it fixed really quick, so we're gonna do a little thrashing, bashing, crashing. Hey, Andrew. Did I get a little snow on you? Guys, I gotta say, you know this channel, what was our saying we do on here? Thrash, bash, and crash? That is what we did.
Yeah.
Oh man, that thing took a hit.
Yeah,
Holy cow, all right. Aiden, hey, you know what? Give that thing a rip.
all right.
You just covered Andrew in snow. right, guys. Well, this pin is coming out again on this truck.
And
So we ain't got much of a choice here.
yeah.
It's getting dark, so we're gonna end the video here. And
Please like and subscribe.
And guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell.
all right, we'll see you in the next video. And stay tuned because we got some more coming at you guys. And hey, just because it's winter out, it doesn't mean you can't have fun with your RC trucks, guys.
Yeah.
It's snow out here, so hey, you gotta have some fun. So get out there in RC, man. Have a
Yeah.
little fun, right?
We'll see you later.
All right.
Woo!